waiting for its coat to turn to green. The snowbird sings the song we always sing. Explains to me the flowers that will bloom again in spring. When I was young, my heart was young then too. Anything that it would tell me, that's the thing that I would do. But now I feel such emptiness within. For the thing that I want most in life's the thing that I can't win. Spread your tiny wings and fly away, and take the snow back with you where it came from on that day. The one I love forever is untrue, and if I could, you know that I would fly away with you. The breeze along the river seems to say that it'll only break my heart again should I decide to stay. So little snowbird, take me with you when you go.